People say YouTube can change your life. They say it can turn you into an overnight success, make you famous, or help you escape your 9 to 5. But no one really talks about what happens when you're just starting from zero. No audience, no views, no idea if any of this is actually worth it. So I decided to find out for myself. For 30 days, I went all in. I uploaded consistently, tried to improve every video, and spent way too many late nights editing. And let me be honest, this experience was nothing like the motivational success stories you see online. Today I'm sharing the full truth. The highs, the lows, and the things no one warns you about when you start YouTube from scratch. And trust me, some of the results might surprise you. Week 1. Starting from absolute zero. You'd think the first video would be the easiest part. It's not. Before you even hit record, you have to choose a niche, a style, and somehow convince yourself you know what you're doing, even when you don't. So here's how it actually started. I sat down with my phone, opened CapCut, and made some very bad YouTube shorts. No real script, no plan. I just wanted to post something. The goal wasn't perfection. The goal was to stop overthinking and finally start. When I uploaded that first video, I was excited. I kept checking YouTube Studio, waiting to see the views roll in. And then, nothing. No views, no comments. Just silence. I kept refreshing the page every few minutes, hoping the numbers would change. I didn't expect it to go viral. I just wanted one view. That's it. And then it happened. That beautiful little number appeared. 1 view. It felt like a win. Even though it was probably me accidentally clicking my own video, it still meant someone, even if it was me, saw it. After that, I knew I couldn't stop. I committed to uploading once a week, no matter what. That's when reality hit. Editing takes forever. Way longer than you expect. I thought editing was just cutting clips and adding music. Nope. Trying to make something even slightly watchable takes hours, especially when you have no idea what you're doing. And don't even get me started on thumbnails. By the end of week 1, I had uploaded 2 videos and gotten a couple hundred views total. Not impressive, but every single view felt like progress. The biggest lesson from week 1 wasn't about editing or thumbnails. It was this: just starting is the hardest part. This was actually my 8th YouTube channel. And even then, starting still felt awkward, messy, and uncomfortable. If you can push through that phase, you're already ahead of most people. Week 2. Learning the game. By week 2, I felt like I was finally getting into a rhythm, or at least I thought I was. That's when I realized something important. Uploading alone isn't enough. If no one clicks on your video, it doesn't matter how good it is. So I started learning about SEO, keywords, titles, and, of course, the algorithm. I spent hours tweaking titles and descriptions, trying to understand what actually makes people click. It felt like a science experiment. Except instead of lab equipment, I was using tools like TubeBuddy. Then something small, but important, happened. I got my first comments. Nothing fancy, just nice video. But that single comment made all the late nights worth it. That's when it hit me. YouTube isn't just about numbers, it's about real people on the other side of the screen. I started focusing less on chasing views and more on creating content I actually cared about. That shift felt freeing, but also scary. By the end of week 2, I had gained 33 new subscribers and reached 2,900 unique viewers. It wasn't viral, but it was real progress. Week 3, the almost quit phase. Week 3 was rough. The excitement of starting something new was gone, and the grind finally set in. I was putting in more effort, but the numbers weren't moving much. I'd see other creators posting how I got 1,000 subscribers in a week videos, and I couldn't help but compare. I started asking myself, what am I doing wrong? I stayed up editing until 2 a.m., woke up the next day, and still felt like the video wasn't good enough. But I uploaded it anyway. Then something unexpected happened. One of my videos got a small bump in views. Nothing crazy, but enough to remind me that progress doesn't always show up immediately. This was the week I almost quit. What kept me going was remembering why I started in the first place. It wasn't for instant success. It was to learn, to create, and to prove to myself that I could stay consistent. Once I remembered that, the pressure eased, and the comments started coming in. Kind, encouraging comments that honestly meant more than the views. Week 4, finishing strong. By week 4, I was exhausted, but determined. I had a clearer idea of what my audience wanted, so I stopped throwing random ideas at the wall. I focused on creating content that could actually help or entertain people. And slowly, it worked. Watch time started increasing. People were watching my videos all the way through, and engagement improved. Even if nothing else had happened, I was proud of myself for sticking with it. That alone felt like a win. The results after 30 days. So here it is. After 30 days, 6 videos uploaded, 6,400 total views, 129 watch hours, 228 new subscribers. Is it groundbreaking? Number? Is it progress? Absolutely. Final thoughts. If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, here's my advice. Just start. Don't wait for the perfect idea, the perfect camera, or the perfect moment, because they don't exist. The first step is the hardest, but it's also the most important. YouTube isn't just a platform, it's a community. And the people who win aren't always the most talented, they're the ones who don't give up. If you made it this far, thank you for being part of this journey. And if you're curious about what happens next, hit subscribe, and let's figure it out together.